Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Kia Optima and you hear noise like kind of like humming, grinding or squealing noise coming from the back of your vehicle. Guys, stay with us, we'll explain what most likely causes that and why you need to replace it as soon as you can, because otherwise you can even get in an accident. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. If you need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out, guys, the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save quite a bit of money. So with that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here. This is, guys, Kia Optima suspension right here, and on that suspension, now if you look at it, guys, okay, it's pretty complicated suspension. You have a wheel bearing, you have the brakes, you have disc and drum brakes. The drum brakes are for the parking brake and the disc brakes are for the regular brakes. But if you hear humming sound, and usually at higher speed at first, you'll start noticing it maybe at 50-60 mile an hour, and eventually, guys, okay, you may start noticing it even at lower speeds, and that humming sound will grow into kind of like a grinding, squealing or grinding noise. Okay, it's very likely that you have a bad wheel bearing, and on those, okay, you can see that's a wheel bearing assembly. It comes with the ABS reader, wheel bearing and the hub as well. It's one assembly, which makes it super convenient to replace. It's super easy to replace. That's the cool thing about it. But another thing about it, guys, okay, it's a little bit tricky because you have actually the parking brake. So if you want to see how to replace a rear wheel bearing, we have the video on the channel step by step. Now, eventually that noise will get louder and you start hearing in lower speeds. You can develop playing the wheel bearing, and that can put wear, uneven wear on the tire. You can actually, guys, cause unstable vehicle operation as well. You can get in an accident, sometimes they can even fail. So change them as soon as you can. It's not safe to drive with a bad wheel bearing. Another thing, guys, okay, another thing, I recommend to get the whole assembly, hub assembly, not just the bearing only. It's super easy to replace if you have the whole hub assembly. If you have the bearing only, you have to press things in, out, and that's complicated. So for any of you needing that help, hopefully that information in the video will be helpful. If you want to see any more videos on Kia Optima, let us know. We have quite a few on the channel that will teach you how to do almost anything. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.